Hey guys, today we're making this delicious vanilla cake. This is a delicious plain cake recipe and is so amazing. It's such a delicious cake and is so moist and fluffy. It will go perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and is just super delicious. Okay, so we're going to start off in a large bowl and you're going to add in your flour into a sift. Then you can add in your baking powder and your baking soda. And then you're going to sift all of these ingredients together. Next, you're going to whisk all of these ingredients until well combined. Once that's done, you can set that to the side into another bowl. You're going to add in all your wet ingredients. You're going to start off by cracking your 2 eggs. And then you can add in your vanilla, your sugar, your oil, and your buttermilk. Now you can easily make this by adding in 2 tablespoons of vinegar to a cup of milk. Then you're gonna mix this all together until well combined. Once that's done, you can add in your wet ingredients to your dry mix and then whisk this all together. While you're whisking, you can add in your warm water and make sure you don't overbeat the batter. Do not overmix this batter. Then you're going to take your Pyrex dish and you're going to spray this with a bit of non-stick cooking oil. And then you're going to pour your batter into this tray. Once you're all done pouring it in, you can bake this in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Once it's golden brown, you can take it out and it will be done. Keep an eye on it. Once it's done, you can let it cool and then cut it into pieces. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make, and it's super delicious. It goes perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and is so amazing. It's such a simple recipe and is just perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.